Hey everyone, this is Soumya. Welcome to Road Developing channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix menu in mobile view. Okay, now you are able to see in our desktop view that if we are looking for menu section, it is appearing in full width. For that, just it is taking automatic 100% width. Now what, like sometimes we are thinking that if we are going to browse, like suppose I want to see this website in my mobile, then sometimes it is happening that your menu it will not appear in proper way. That is the reason I'm going to explain you that if it is not working, then how you can fix it off or not. And after fixing also, if you want to change background color of your menu, then how you can do it or not. Okay, see, this is your front page. Now see, before writing any code and before doing any changes in your WordPress dashboard, if you want to see that how it is appearing in a mobile view or not without going any phone, then what you can do here, you will have to do inspect. See, in mobile view how it is appearing. Now you would be thinking that why, how it came by default. See, here you will get option, it is appearing in Galaxy S5. If you want to see in iPad how it is appearing, iPad it will appear like that. If you want to see that, suppose, okay, in Pixel 2, see how it is appearing. Now you would be thinking that why like it has been collapsed. Suppose if I'll talk about desktop, in that like screen size it will be large, but if you are coming in mobile view, obviously screen size it will be a small. That is the reason all menu it will not appear as a like in full width. Then that is the reason only that you are able to see right now that it has been collapsed. Now you would be thinking that only we are seeing that toggle bar is there, but where is the menu? Obviously menu is there. Once you will click over here, see automatic everything is appearing. Let me refresh. Yeah, just click it. Yeah, see right now like that it is appearing. Now you would be thinking that how we can do changes. Suppose here like menu section it is appearing like home, about, services, blog, contacts and gallery. And if you want to change background color for all menus, then how you can do it or not. For before explaining this thing, I suggest to everyone. See, normally we know that without any single code, we can create any website. No doubt. I'm pretty sure for that. Yeah, it is okay. Yeah, we can create any website without writing any code. But sometimes what is happening? If you are going for your competitor website, like any website, if you are going which is better than your website, then first what you are doing, just you are comparing with your website to other website. That time you are getting in your mind that no, my website is not looking better as per their website. Then what you are thinking, how we can do make changes as per their looks. Yeah, you can say like if you will see other website then it looks more attractive and all. Then how you can do it or not. For that you have two options. See, this is by default. If you are trying to do changes in WordPress dashboard, you can do it, but sometimes what is happening, it will not work. It will not work. Then at the time, what you will have to do, you will have to write CSS code. Now you would be thinking that what is the meaning of CSS code? CSS code, CSS, it is a cascading style sheet. Now you would be thinking, what is the meaning of cascading style sheet? Obviously, see, in simple way I'll explain you what is the meaning of that CSS code or not. If you suppose this is your website, this is home, this is the title and this is the description. Now you are thinking that no, for that background color it should be changed, instead of white color should be pink, else red. Then how you can do it? For that you will have to write code. If you are trying to do changes in your dashboard, if it is not working, then obviously you will have to go for the second option, which is CSS code, which one you will have to write. Now what you will do, Here how you can do it or not, I'm explaining you. Suppose this section you are taking, okay. Let me select. Yeah, you have selected this part, okay. Now if you want to give background color, it should be white. Oh sorry, white, it is there already. Black, so it has been changed. Now you would be thinking, what is the 000? See, this is the color code of black. For white, if you want to write code, then you will have to write #FFF. Okay. If you want to check that how we can take code or not from here, this is the class for this. That is the reason it is appearing over here. Day, hash and primary. Under that, just you will have to copy this code and you will have to paste it. After that, what you will do, entire code you will copy from here till here, and you will have to paste in additional CSS code is there in customization. Then you will have to paste it over here. Now I'm going to explain you. Suppose this is your menu. I want that no, for all menu background color should be changed. Now how you can do it? You will have to click over here. Now you will select. Now here, what you will do, background color white. Sorry, where I am taking. See, automatic color has been changed. It will be changed for toggle bar as well as menu section. Let me try. We'll have to go in menu, sorry, in customize, then additional CSS, paste. We will not copy this part because this is for toggle bar. Now you would be thinking that why dot mark is appearing over here. See, this is, I told already in my last video, if you are taking anything as a class, then you will have to denote with dot. If you are taking any ID, then you will have to denote with hash. Instead of dot, you will have to write hash if you are giving ID. Okay, this is a very simple tool that you will have to apply over here. Now publish and check whether it is appearing properly or not after doing changes. See, it is red. Now if you want to change like that text color, it should be white. Then what you will have to do, you can try it over here. Let me try. Color FFF. See, the changes it has been done. What we did, wherever we have given class, that class it is coming for all menus. That is the reason under this class only we can write background color, and if you want to change text color like menu text color, you can give as a color FFF. You can copy, you will have to paste it over here. Just check whether modification it has done or not. Refresh it. We will click over here. We will check. See, automatic color it has been changed. And this is a very simple trick. Like if you want to learn like CSS, then how you can learn or not. You have one best platform which is W3 Schools. From there only I learned everything about any coding. If I talk about PHP, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, everything, then this is very good platform from where you can learn very easily, very quickly. After that you can apply over here. Now you would be thinking that like this is a very what I should say, you would be thinking, oh my god, again I'll have to learn CSS code. See, I'm not telling to you that you will have to become expert in this like CSS code. Just you will have to learn basic thing like you can change color, background color, you can give border, shadow. That's enough. That thing only you have to learn. Just you can go through W3 Schools. From there only you will have to take like basic concepts. That is over for you. Okay my friends, if you really like my video, please, if you didn't subscribe till now, please go and subscribe and please try to share as much as. Thank you so much. Bye bye.